Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video, and if you're into Huck's World, and today we're going to do something a little different. We're going to check out a different store. Right now we're going to review all watch faces from the Facer app. Now, some of you all have probably checked this out before. I would like for you to hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know if you're still using the Facer app and what you think about it. We had Dark Princess ask a question about if the Facer app works on the Galaxy Watch. So we decided to go ahead and do a video on some of the Facer watch faces just to see where Facer is today. I haven't been here in a while. So with that being said, let's go ahead and let's check it out. Now, the name of the first watch face is called Silver Honeycomb. Now, none of these watch faces are interactive, but I like them anyway because pretty much it gives you all the information that you can need right at a glance. Now, I like this one, and considering that this watch face has a elegant look to it, considering that it's a digital watch face, this really looks nice. I like the digital time, very big, very legible. You got the day, you got September spelled out, you got your date right up under it, you get the weather, you get your highs and your lows, you get your steps right down at the bottom to the left, and then you get your battery info. It has a honeycomb look. This video isn't going to do it justice, but I'm telling you, at a glance, this is an awesome watch face to download. And yes, it is free in the Facer app. Also, once you go into the search engine to put the name of the watch face in, it's not going to show up at the top. You have to search through it. Just keep scrolling until you find it. With that being said, let's check out watch face number 2. Watch face number 2, very nice, has a very nice look to it. I like the design, and it gives you everything that you need. So if you into your steps and your exercise, and it gives you your steps right up at the top, down at the bottom, you're going to get a nice digital time. And so it's an analog / digital watch face, which means you get the best of both worlds. It has a really nice sporty look to it. You're going to get your battery percentage, and also you're going to get your seconds right over here. I thought this was an awesome look. Remember, you can't customize it, but for real, this thing looks awesome just the way it is. Let's check out watch face number 3. Now I'm liking number 3, but if you look at the top, you can see like there's a second hand that's going around the bezel of the watch, very unique. But I'm into the weather, so I like the weather. Nice bold right in the center at the top, not a bad look. And it gives you also sunrise and sunset. It gives you everything, your highs, your lows. You come down, you got a nice bold digital time along with the date, and you get the rest of your step info down at the bottom, miles walked or ran, calories, heart rate, things of that nature. This is a tight watch face. Now remember, you can't do anything else with it, but it gives you everything that you need at a glance, which makes this an awesome look. Let's check out watch face number 4. Watch face number 4. Now I'm liking number 4. Number 4 looks nice, different, unique, and sometimes different is good, especially considering what we normally get out of the gear manager store. This is very different. Now, if you look at it, it has like a nice little scenery, like if you're on the road. Then it has 2 gauges down at the bottom, like you're in a car or on a motorcycle. Very nice, right? Very nice look. Now, if you look in one of the dials to the left, you're going to get your day and your date. Now, on the other dial, you're going to get information on the weather. It gives you your highs and your lows. I like that though, right? And it gives you the actual weather. Don't ask me what that needle is that's swinging back and forth. I could not tell you, but it looks like the red one is going to work as a second hand, kind of, sort of. And then down at the bottom, you're going to get your battery gauges. This is a nice, fun looking watch face that's worthy of a download. And this one too is also free for the taking in the Facer app. Again, you have to look for it, put the name in, scroll down till you find it. It's going to be right there waiting for you. Now, what I failed to mention is right here is going to be your step info. I thought that was pretty cool as well, people. Hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know if this is worthy of a download. Last but not least, people, watch face number 5. This one is called LED V100. Very unique, very different, very nice. This one pretty much stands out. It's going to be an energy saving watch face as well. Very unique in its own right. I like it. I thought maybe you might like this one too. And that's going to be it, people. That's it for the watch faces for today. Hit me in the comment section below and let me know your thoughts on this one. And let me know if you're going to start using Facer. Now, for me, there's a downside. Now, I need for you to tell me if you're having this problem as well. It has a problem connecting, so I have to cut it off, go right back into the app in order to get the watch face. It was a hassle doing this review. But hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know if you would like to see more. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And as always, people, I will see you all at the next video. Enjoy the rest of your fun day Sunday. Enjoy family and friends, eat well, and most of all, be safe. And I'll see you all at the next one. Take care.